Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the volume of a video in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Then you're good to go. Changing the volume of a video clip in Capcut allows you to adjust the audio levels, which is essential for a lot of reasons. So for you to be able to do it, you need to click the create a new project if you want to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin your work. In my case, I'm choosing this file. So I'm working with this specific project, and for example, if your clip has a very low or high audio, adjusting the volume ensures consistency throughout the video. Raising or lowering the volume at specific points can emphasize key moments in a video, such as making dialogue clearer or adding dramatic pauses for a quieter audio level. Now, what I'm going to do is to add a file here that I've set in place. I'm going to drag this on the timeline right here, and then as you can see, just select the video with the audio, and then go to the tab on the upper right corner where you can see the video, audio, speed, animation, and tracking. So there are like 5 tabs, and I want you to click the audio. For you to change the volume, all you have to do is you have this option right here that says volume. You can decrease the volume if you want, or increase the volume to the max where you want to the desired effect, right? You also have an option to normalize loudness of the selected clip to a target level, but it requires a pro subscription. Remember, anything that has the pro watermark requires a pro subscription, so you might want to choose that. But these are going to be some of the options to change not only the volume of a video in Capcut, but also to enhance a voice if there's like a narration right here. Reduce noise, vocal isolation if you want, and of course, fill channel. Since I have decreased the volume of the audio, want to decrease that if you want, and then once you are happy, because for example, if the audio is too loud, it may distort, so adjusting the volume level here avoids that issue, making the video sound clear and clean. Once you're happy with that, all I have to do now is obviously click the export button on the top right corner to save it in a different file format, or maybe send it to your client for feedback. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.